Right, so we're on the amplifier chassis of the GEC G987, and we've actually changed 25 electrolytic capacitors. I've got an extract of the service manual here in my hand, which is from Radio and Television Servicing 1969-1970, I seem to recall. And we've got the layout, and if Mr Chippie turns to the circuit diagram as well, which is there somewhere. There we go. There's two parts to it. Preamp, power amp. So there we go. AD17. I've forgotten what it is anyway. 161, 162. It'll come to me. Knew it would. Like in the Stereomaster 2400. It's quite a tonker chassis, and I've no doubt Mr Chippie will point out some of the 25 electrolytic capacitors. We've got the big one at the back there, which is 4700. That 1251 there, which we've brought in from the United States, not being a European one. Amongst those Mullard mustard capacitors, which we don't feel we need to change, 25 electrolytics have been changed in the preamp and the power amp. Upon test with our ESR meter, we discovered that one of the preamp electrolytics was faulty, so it would have been down on one channel. And there we have the metal chassis and all the electronics put back into the wooden framework, ready for mounting back into the cabinet of the stereogram. So as you can see, the chassis is now poised and the wiring's now connected. Mr Chippie decided he'd take some photos on his phone so that we would remember which wire went where, and there we have it. So here we are with the GEC G987 put back together, and now for the moment of truth. We've got another of our famous B-sides. So we've got this wonderful piece of stereophonic equipment with its high fidelity amplifier, and we're going to play a 1960s mono record. It's Lonnie Donegan who did My Old Man's a Dustman, didn't he? And this is the B-side to, I can't even remember what it's the B-side to, but it's 7N15206. Oops, it's Darling Corrie, is it? Did we say? Corrie, thank you. So here we go.
You see the story of Darling Corrie? Corrie was a bootlegging gal. She was doing all right, but the revenue officers come along down and
plenty of volume, bass, treble. We may as well switch it to mono.
She was standing by the sea, 45 strapped around her bosom, and a banjo on her knee. I said, wake up, darling Corrie, what makes you sleep so sound? The revenue officers are coming, gonna tell you still half down. Next time I see Darling Corrie, he was steady by the sway. Pretty ribbons round her shoulders and pretty ribbons in her hair. I said, wake up, Darling Corrie, what makes you sleep so sound? The revenue officers are coming, gonna tell you still half down. Officers are coming, he's gonna tell you still half down. Dear ho, dear ho, dear ho, dear ho, deep, deep,
hope that Lonnie Donegan record is obscure enough to escape the YouTube police. We didn't show you the 25 capacitors that came out of the product. One of those, as I said, did turn out to be faulty, so it would have been down on one channel. So there we go, thanks for watching. That's the GEC G987 now fully overhauled.